I'm Dr. Kavita Bandua, originating from Mauritius, currently working in Germany. I'm already doing basics laparoscopy in my hospital. I have been following Dr. Mishra and his team since 1 year. And I was very keen, and I'm very happy that I have been able to attend this course. It has been really very informative, both theory-wise and practical-wise. I really recommend it. I'm sure that whatever knowledge I've been accumulating here will help me in my clinical practice, and I look forward for the master's program in about 1.5 years. So thank you very much, Dr. Mishra, and the whole team, doctors, non-doctors, all of them have been very helpful, and it was, I must say, a wonderful experience. I recommend it further. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sim from Malaysia. I'm a general surgeon. So I've heard a lot about the fellowship of minimally access surgery in Dubai, and I think I've learned quite a lot from here. A lot of basics, but really it has actually strengthened my basics a lot. So I would recommend those who have the opportunity to come. If you have the opportunity, please come and learn. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Dr. Kamrun Nahar from Bangladesh. I heard about this program, but I couldn't manage time. Finally, I have come here and I have seen that the teachers are so cooperative and our trainers are so cooperative. I'm very pleased, and I will recommend our friends to come here. I'm very grateful to our trainer and all the coordinators. All are very cooperative and supportive, and this training is very helpful for us. Thank you.
I'm Samreen Fatma. I'm from Pakistan. It was an incredible experience to come and learn a lot of things from here. Laparoscopy, the hands-on skill is the very good opportunity that you can learn a lot of things, and the trainers are very helpful. The teacher is very helpful. So I recommend everyone this course, and it was really informative and very good course. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kavya Utla from Hyderabad. I'm working as a consultant in obstetrics and gynecology. The overall experience in World Laparoscopic Training Institute was excellent. The classes and all were very well structured, and faculty were all knowledgeable, and the hands-on training has enhanced my surgical skills. Thank you for the entire team for conducting such an organized workshop.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rayf Omar. I'm a senior specialty general surgeon. I had the chance to have my fellowship on minimal access surgery in the World Laparoscopic Hospital, the best training center in the world. The training was very good and very nice. Of course, Prof. Mishra and Dr. Walla did a great job. We had theoretical part, we have training part, and we have hands-on on animal bit. So I recommend this course for every surgeon and gynecologist. Thank you very much.
Okay, my name is Sarah. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I came here to the laparoscopic course to learn more about the basics of laparoscopy, and I found it very informative, and we had much training in the laparoscopy suturing and all of it, and I really recommend it. It was a very informative and thorough course.
Thank you. Okay, I'm Dr. Bassel, a general surgeon from Sudan. Actually, it's well organized, excellent course with a great practical sessions. Thank you. Thank you very much.